Good morning, guys. Again, I'm going to make a video presentation. This is about a vessel loading from New Orleans and passing the Panama Canal. Now, the program is designed that you will arrive at Panama Canal at even keel. So, you have it requires a trim in your departure at loading port in New Orleans so that when you arrive at Panama, it will be even keel. So this is what the program is all about. So let's start, guys. This is the program which says required trim at departure to arrive even keel. Okay, so these are the procedures, and I put here a comment about Panama Canal to arrive at even keel, and this will be your departure draft when you finish loading in New Orleans. Okay, then just follow this procedure here from 1 to 4 until we reach 18. That will be the final drop. Okay, and the departure at New Orleans, we have a trim of about 10 centimeters. So when you have this acquired this trim of 10 centimeters, you will arrive in Panama Canal of even keel of 13.26. And I made an Excel form, an explanation of each sequence. So I just explain this in detail with my Excel form, but they have the same results. Okay, then okay, let's go back and I'll show you this one, the original. So the name of the vessel is Cape Odyssey. It is a Cape-sized vessel. So loading port in New Orleans. Then it says here maximum permissible drop at destination. So meaning this will be your arrival drop in Panama even keel. And the density in Panama is 0.990. And what will be the displacement at arrival in Panama? So what is the displacement of 13.26? Put here 13.26. Okay, put here 13.26. 13.26. That will be 166162. Okay, 166162. Then you have 166162. Okay, that is also the same here. My Excel, I got there 166162. And number 4, what is the LCB? Okay, number 4 is what is the LCB of the drop of 13.26. So we go back to the hydrostatic table. 13.26 LCB is negative 1248. Okay, make this a little bigger. Okay, they have a little bigger. So LCB is negative 12.48, which is this one, negative 12.48. Okay, so we go now to number 5. Okay, number 5, you have the weight, LCG, and longitudinal moment or LCG moment. I'll make this a little bigger. Okay, so how did you get this weight and your LCG? Your LCG is from number 8. You just put it down here. Okay, slide it down. This will be your LCG of negative 48. And how to get the weight? take note guys that this displacement is when the vessel is floating at a density of 0.990 in a drop of 13.26. So that is your displacement. Since this is your dark water displacement, we will convert this to salt water, which is to get this one. And I have this Excel form. Okay, this little bigger, little more bigger. Okay, so okay, so this is your displacement of 13.26 in floating a density of 9.990. To get this displacement or the weight, displacement weight upon destination, so you convert that to salt water. This is dark water. So the formula is corrected weight equals weight times your local density over 1.025. So what is your weight? Weight is 166162, which is this one, multiplied by your local density of 0.990 over the saltwater density of 1.025, and the answer is 160488176, which is this one. Okay, and that is 16048.18. Okay, and the LCG, you just put this, carry this one down, which is will be your LCG 1.248. So to get this LCG moment, multiply your weight times LCG, which is this one, LCG moment, weight times LCG, that will be 20239.892.42, which is this one. Okay, now proceed here. So this is the same, 20028.982, which is 2002982. Okay, now here put it down. Since you are traveling from New Orleans to Panama Canal, so you have a consumption of your fuel port and starboard, which is this one. It is negative because you are consuming your fuel oil. Okay, it is here consumption is positive, production is positive. Negative, so we put this by positive consumption. Okay, this will be consumption. It says here consumption is positive, so it is positive. And what will be your drop here? Okay, and you have to put production, so you put this negative, for example. That will you will put what will be your drop here, that will be, so put here this. Okay, that will be 37. Okay, so what you do, you have a consumption of fuel tank number 1, port and starboard, which is this one, and in after peak tank you take out your ballast of 460. Okay? Take out ballast of 460. This should be 0 because you have no ballast consumption. That will be, let's say, 460 of ballast will be, let's say, 10 tons remaining, or let's say 6 tons remaining. That should be remaining. And your trim will be 13 centimeters. Okay, so this will be your remaining ballast. You reduce you have consumption of fuel oil and your fresh water. You have to consume fresh water consumption that will be positive. Positive because you are going to consume, and this will be negative. Okay, negative. Okay, and that will be your trim. What will be your trim is 14 centimeters. Okay, again, your consumption, which is consumption is positive, that will be 152 on FOT number number 1 port and FOT number 1 starboard. This will be your consumption, and you have a consumption. You have to reduce your after peak, and this will be the tons remaining of 6 tons, and your fresh water you consume of consumable of 74.49 metric tons, and you have a production of 60 tons. Okay, and this will be your total weight of 160,812.7. This will be your total moments. This will be your final LCG. So we'll just edit the Excel form. This will be production. This will be positive. Take out this one. Okay, this will be positive because you are consuming fuel, and we put here 6 tons. 6 tons. Okay, 6 tons. 6 tons. Remaining. 6 tons remaining, and your consumption of fresh water will be 74. Okay, and this will be negative. It is production. Okay, negative. It is negative. Okay. Okay. And your total weight is 160,813. 16083. Okay, round up, and your LCG is 12.225. 12.225. Oh, what happened here? Which one is? Okay, the LCG is negative 12.225, and your LCG moment is 196.59668. 196.596.8.92. Okay, so what we do here, so you have already your LCG moment and final LCG. How to get this 12.225. Okay, so here your LCG moment is which is this one, 196. Okay. To get the final LCG is LCG moment over displacement. So what is your LCG moment is 1965968.99. Okay, and your displacement is 108. Displacement is 10160813. So it's run off, and your final LCG is 12, negative 12,225, which is this one. Okay, at departure in New Orleans. Then we go to number 8. Number 8 is go to number 8. What is your displacement at loading berth? So the local density in New Orleans is 1.005. With this displacement, what will be your displacement at departure berth or loading berth? Okay, so the formula is that will be number 8. This will be number 8. So load port final displacement, which is this one, 160813, times your saltwater density over your local density. So your displacement is 1608183, which is this one, times your saltwater density over your local density 1.05. So multiply these two, that will be 1644832.98 over your local density. Your corrected displacement will be 16412.92, which is this one, 16412.92, which is 164,012.92. Okay, that is the same with this one, 164,012.92. Okay, that will be in number 8. Okay, number 8, this one. The next, since you have already the displacement, what is this corresponding? Okay, go back here. So you have already the displacement of 164,012. What is the corresponding displacement? Share corresponding drop to look up the displacement of hydrostatic number 8, which is numbers 1. So what is this drop here? 164,013. 164,013. Okay. Okay. So 164,013. 164. That will be 1310. 13103. 13103. That will be 13.103. Okay, that will be 13.103. Is that correct? 164,013. 164,013. 13. What will be his LCG? So LCG, this one, LCG is okay, sorry, LCG is this one. Carry this one, put it down. That will be negative 12,225. Okay, says here LCG at loading berth same as in number 7. So this is number 7. So carried on the LCG of 12, negative 12 to 5. Put here negative 12 to 5 here. Okay. That will be this one. 11. What will be the LCB draft of this one? 13801. 13801 draft of this will be 13103. What is 13103? 13.10. What's how much that? 103. 03. Okay. So you have now the LCG. What will be the LCB of this draft 13103? So what will be LCB? Take note of the LCB. LCB is 1248, negative 1248. So negative 1248. This will be, we have here negative 1248, and the other one, this will be negative 1248. Okay. Now we go for the MTC. What will be the MTC? MTC is this one, MTC number 12. MTC is 2856 point how much? 2856 781. 2856 point 781. 2856.781. 2856781. Then put here 2856.781. Okay. And number 13, what is the LCF at the trap? LCF. So what is the LCF? LCF is negative 187. Negative 187. LCF is negative 1. Put this. We can put it like this. Go to hydrostatic table. LCF. This one. Okay. LCF. Put enter. This one. Negative 1871. Negative 871. Negative 871. Negative 871. Is that correct? Negative 871. And this one, negative 871. Okay. Then number trimming arm. How did you get this trimming arm? That will be in number 14. Okay. So we go here. Number 14. Trimming arm. Trimming arm is LCG minus LCB. Okay. So what is your LCG? LCG is negative, this one, negative 225. Negative 225. Ay, 25. Your LCB is 12.48. 12.48. 12.48. Okay? Put enter. So, negative 12.225, your LCG, minus your LCB, which is 12.48, and the answer would be how much? This negative 12.225 minus negative 12.48, that will be 0.55. Okay, 0.55, 0.55, that will be this one. Okay, take note, guys, to get the trimming arm is H27, which is your LCG minus your LCB. That will be 0.25. I got 0.225, which is this one. Okay, then next, number 15, trimming moment. How do you get your trimming moment? This will be your trimming moment of 15. Click this one. That will be H31 times H25. So your trimming moment. Okay, how do you get your trimming moment? Is your trimming arm times your final displacement. Okay, so what is your trimming arm? Your trimming arm is this one, 0.225. Okay, put this equals, click this one. Okay, we want to make it more familiar. We put this one. Okay, times your displacement of 164, which is this displacement 25, displacement 16012, which is this one. So displacement trimming arm times 0.0225, which is this one, multiply your final displacement, which is this one, 164.01292, and your trimming moment will be 4178846, which is this one, 4178846, 4178846. Okay, that will be your number 15 of trimming moment. Required trim on completion of loading trimming. So that will be your required trim in departure in your lanes. That will be 14 centimeters or 15 centimeters. How did I get this one? Required trim on completion of loading of trimming moment. That will be, the formula is trimming moment over MTC times 100. Okay, so what is your, this is trimming moment over MTC times 100. What is your trimming moment? Is 4178846. This is this one over MTC. What is your MTC? Is 2856 2856. We put this 28. Put this 2856.781. Okay, times 100. So multiply this one. That will be how much? That will be 2856.781 times 100. That will be 285678. 285678.1. Okay, 285678.1. Okay, and multiply your trimming moment over this one value. Your trim departure trim will be 146, which is 146. Okay, that will be your trim in number 16. Number 16 is your trim 146. Okay, so you have now your trim 146. You are not trim by the stern because it is positive. Okay, now I will this is the figures, guys. Okay, what is your LCG is your final LCG is negative 12225, or this one. Okay, negative final LCG is negative 12.225. Okay, which is this one. Okay, and your LCB is negative 1248. Okay, negative 48, which is your LCB. LCB is negative 48. Okay, so we go back to the figure. So LCB is negative 1248 and your final LCG is negative 12.23, which is run off. So you get the difference of this one will be 0.25. Okay, which is this one, 0.25 for your trimming arm. Okay, we put this. Now take note, your final LCG is negative 12.23. When you say negative, you are in the forward part of your vessel. Okay. Okay. If this is your amidship, your LCG is negative 12.23. So from amidship, you measured forward. It is forward because forward is negative. So from your amidship, you measure 12.23 from amidship, and this will be your final LCG. Okay, this line here, and your LCB is negative 12.48. So from amidship, you measure 12.48, which is this line here. That will be your LCB of negative 12.48, which is forward part of the vessel. Now take note, your LCG is behind LCB. He is behind. Okay, so what is the rule here? If LCG is above or behind LCB, then you are trimmed by the stern. Meaning if your LCG is at the back of LCB, then you are trimmed by the stern. That's the rule. since you are LCGs at the back of LCB, then you are trimmed by the stern. Okay. Now, another explanation is the buoyancy here, the center of buoyancy. The buoyancy here is to push the vessel up. Okay. When push the vessel up, the direction of the vessel is to go counterclockwise. Okay. Since this is like a seesaw, so when the forward part of the vessel is to go up, the up part will go down. It's like a seesaw. So this goes up, this goes down. When you go up, of course, your drop will be less. On the up part, if this up part will go down or sink, then you will have more drop here. Now, look at this LCG. The final LCG, his rule is to put the vessel down because of the gravity pull. So that's why your up part will go down because of this LCG, which is going downward, and your LCB is going upward. That is the reason why you are trimmed by the stern. Okay? So this is now explains why you are trimmed by the stern. So we go to the problem again. That will be number, you have already your trim, which is 1.46, and that will be your trim here in number 16. Okay, that will be number 16. Now, what will be your drop forward? You have already your trim here. What will be your drop forward and up? Let's take note. So I get here, go to the Excel form, and here's the formula. Since you have already your trim by the stern, we will go now to this one. Okay. The next thing to do, I've written here your LPP is 290, LCF is 0. That will be LCF. I know your LCF will be this one. Negative 1.871. LCF is negative 1.871. Okay, that is your LCF, and your trim is 0.146. Okay, now this is the formula. First, you have number 17. To get the drop forward is the change of drop forward. The formula is 1/2 LPP plus your LCF over LPP times your trim. Your trim is, put this trim, put this equals, you can put this like this. That's your trim. So what your LPP, length between perpendicular, is 290.2. What is 1/2 of this 290.2 is 145.1 plus your LCF. LCF is, that will be negative 871. Negative 1.871 over your LPP times trim. So that will be, how much would that be? 145.1 plus negative 1.871 that will be
How dare you touch
that will be 143,229. 143,229. Okay, over your LPP of 290 times trim. So divide this one, that will be equals, divide by your LPP equals 0494, multiply by 0.15 or equals this one, multiply by your trim will be, your change of drop forward will be 0.07. Okay, then to get the change of drop up is your trim minus your change of drop up. So your trim minus your change of drop forward is 0.07, then your change of drop up will be 0.07. So if we try to put this one this way, 0.15 minus 0.07, that will be 0.08. This will be 0.08. 0.08. Okay, so your 0.08, what is your initial drop of 1326? Your initial drop is 13103. 13103 or 1310. Apply your forward correction, which is 0.7 minus, because the tendency of the vessel to rise up, to go up, meaning you have less drop here. That is your division. Okay, so minus this one, and up drop will be, you add the trim correction of up, which is 0.08. So deduct this one, that will be 1303. You add this one, that will be 1318, and your forward drop will be 1303. Up drop is 1318. Your main drop is 1311. Is that 1311? Main drop is 13. Okay, put this one. Okay, and your trim is 15. You're now trimmed by the stern. So this one is stern. Stern. Okay, and another solution is from your hydrostatic drop is 1310 minus your change of drop forward is 0.0107, and your forward drop will be 1303 plus your trim of 0.015. Your up drop is 1318. So what is the final drop here? Final drop is 1303. Forward is 1303. I got your 1303. Your up drop is 13117 or 1318. And I got here 1318. So your main drop is 13. Main drop is 1310 and your trim is 1.46. What I put here, main drop is Your trim is 015 is run off. Your main drop is 1311. Okay, with this formula, you add forward and up, divide by 2, then that will be your main. So it's almost the same, guys. So 13 forward is 13.03, up drop is 13.18, and your main is 13. I got 13.11. Okay, put this one. Let's say that will be 13.03 plus 13.18 equals divide 2. That will be 13.10. 13.05. Okay. H34, H35 divided by 2. This is the formula, guys. When you click this one, this will be the formula. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you follow my procedures and explanation. But anyway, I will give you a copy of this one in this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Have a good day.